English to Galician. Make, do equals.
Facer.
Laugh and learn. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. Let's kick off with good vibes and quick wins. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll lock in English make, do with the Galician powerhouse.
Facer.
Plus key forms like
Ti fas. Ela fai. Fai.
and.
Facedes.
Ready? Let's make it happen, let's do it. Your goal today. You've got one mission, do style, understand and say it out loud. By the end, you can confidently say make, do in Galician.
Facer.
You do.
Ti fas.
She makes.
Ela fai.
It makes.
Fai.
And you, plural, do.
Facedes.
Short, punchy, memorable. Quick forms you'll use. Repeat after me, nice and loud. Make, do.
Facer.
You do.
Ti fas.
She makes.
Ela fai.
It makes.
Fai.
You, plural, do.
Facedes.
Mini dialogue in action. Listen, smile, and shadow the Galician lines. A. We need to make a plan. Say.
Temos que facer un plan.
Quote. B. You do the list. Say.
Ti fas.
A lista. I'll handle the calls. A. She makes the coffee.
Ela fai.
O café. B. Awesome. What does this machine do? It makes. Say.
Que fai isto? Fai.
Café. Coach, entering, team, you, plural, do the drill now. Say.
Facedes.
O exercicio agora. Call and response drills. Do energy on. You answer fast, I cheer. Say in Galician. Make, do.
Facer.
Say in Galician. You do.
Ti fas.
Say in Galician. She makes.
Ela fai.
Say in Galician. It makes.
Fai.
Say in Galician. You, plural, do.
Facedes.
Say a full sentence. We do it now. Quote.
Facemos isto agora.
Bonus. Say a full sentence. They make a cake. Quote.
Fan unha torta.
Bonus. Culture tip. Galicia in action. Learn a little culture while you learn the verb. In Galicia, people love to gather, cook, and create. You'll hear phrases like
Facer.
unha empanada, to make an empanada, and even at festivals they might.
Facer a queimada.
Before telling the spell. When someone presses the coffee machine and it starts, you'll hear
Fai.
café. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal the answer. Q1. Which Galician verb means make, do? A.
Facer.
Q2. How do you say, you do? A.
Ti fas.
Q3. Translate, she makes. A.
Ela fai.
Q4. What's it makes? A.
Fai.
Q5. Say, you, plural, do. A.
Facedes.
Funny memory hooks. Laugh it in, remember it forever. If you want to ace it, just
Facer.
and face it. Imagine a robot refusing to work until you say the magic word.
Fai.
Exclamation mark quote. For groups, think of many faces working together.
Facedes.
Dot quote. Motivate yourself. Do style pep talk.
Ch.5.
The first step, now. Point at the coffee hero in your life and grin.
Ela fai.
The best coffee. 30-second challenge. You've got this. Speak it out loud. Create 5 mini lines using every key form. Example starters. To make, do is.
Facer.
Today.
Ch.5.
The salad. At home.
Ela fai.
The playlist. This button.
Fai.
A loud noise. In class.
Facedes.
A project together. Now swap topics and repeat. Thanks and see you. High five, nice work today. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Facer. Ch.5. Ela fai. Fai.
And.
Facedes.
In real life moments. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.